मेरा नाम ऋषभ दुर्गा है, जो कि फर्म का नाम अतुल एंटरप्राइज है. इट इज लोकेटेड एट संसार चंद्र रोड, लोहा मंडी कॉर्नर, जयपुर. We are in this business for past 30 years and we deal in all sort of metal fabrication tools. The tools which are required to cut metal and joint metal, we deals in all sort of products like welding machine, chop saws, angle grinders, plasma CNCs, robotics machines and all. And we also deal in all sorts of accessories which are required in these machineries. And for Engiexpo, we have selected this exhibition because there are many sort of, this is very famous in other peoples, and there are many other fabricators who have participated in this exhibition.